Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show this video how to fix Windows Photo Viewer cannot open this picture because you don't have the correct permission. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are unable to open the Photo Viewer because of you don't have correct permission, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to open that folder in which the files are there, means which images are there. Just right click on that folder and click on properties. Click on security. Here click on advanced. Here you have to select your user account. This is my user account. You can see from here. After selecting the user, just check mark this option and disable inheritance and click on convert inheritance permission into explicit permission on this object. After clicking, just click on apply, click on yes, then click OK, then click OK, and you can open this folder and view your images. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows Photo Viewer cannot open this picture because you don't have the correct permission. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.